Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a good weekend. So, friends, today we will interestingly look at the weekly analysis on BankNifty, Finnifty, and Nifty and try to see how we can generate a trade on Monday. Right? To begin with, VIX को देखते हैं. Let's start looking at VIX. VIX गिरा. Actually, VIX is touching very low levels. It's not rising at all, which is a cause of concern because in low volatility option buyers, right, they don't tend to make much money, and option sellers are also not very interested because a spike here and there can bring them in a position from where there is limited things that can be done. Low VIX environment also means the environment is stable, but remember this is beginning of the month. Typically, I would have expected the VIX to spike up because people make positions, but जिस तरह से ये चल रहा है VIX नीचे आ रही है, we are not sure where the positions are being made. I think the spread is very low in the option and that is where VIX is also low. चलते हैं निफ्टी बैंक के चार्ट में. वीकली चार्ट ऑफ निफ्टी बैंक. See, many times it is given a reversal candlestick in weekly. Is this a tweezer top? Probably yes. We'll get a confirmation only if it starts closing below 44,550. The problem is there is a breakout here, right? 44,095. Ideally, for the trend to completely bend, market will have to start closing below 43,920 on a daily basis for you to see sharp pullback till 41, 42,000. Else, these are minor profit bookings which will keep coming, right? Weekly chart, we are seeing a red candle, but it's again near the breakout for tomorrow. Basis the weekly chart, we can say only below 45,260, it will show signs of weakness. Else, it will continue to make it difficult for traders to trade. Daily chart, I won't say so. After a bearish Marubozu on Thursday, right? Friday, again, it has retested this breakout level. Now, for me, only below 45,222, I am seeing levels of 44,858, right? Downside is getting capped. Downside, guys, is getting capped even on the daily chart. So, daily and weekly both are saying that downside is getting capped. In fact, yesterday, yesterday as in Friday, BankNifty took a support here, right? Ideally, I would be comfortable if tomorrow market opens flat, consolidates for 15 to 20 minutes and breaks yesterday's low, then I would be targeting 44,767. Else, it's going to be a difficult day, right? Else, it's going to be a difficult day. अब चलते हैं 15 मिनट के चार्ट में देखते हैं. डेली में एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है बैंक निफ्टी को. वीकली चार्ट कह रहा है कि हाँ शायद वीकनेस आ सकती है. Now, see, 15-minute chart above 44, above 45,525. So if market opens flat, see, you will have to be ready for both the positions now. Simply put, we'll look at component chart also. But this recovery that market gave, right, is very sharp in nature. And this makes shorters nervous. So now for tomorrow, right, if market opens anywhere between this range, right, between 45,380 to 45,500, right, if it consolidates for first 15 minutes and takes out this level, you can see a sharp rally of 140 to 160 points, right? You will have to be ready. Take small profits now. Market is in a range, right? Upside and downside both. Probably market could test this and then fall, right? A flat opening range and then breakdown. Wait, see, the first scenario, I hope everyone has understood. Second scenario, if market opens flat and consolidates between these two levels, right, and then breaks, you will see, again, this will give you targets of 180 to 200 points, right? These are the only two possibilities that I am seeing. Gap down opening somewhere here, watch. First bullish candle, you can enter long. Gap up opening somewhere here, you can then think of shorting, right? First 15 minutes, you will have to observe the market and sit tight. It's a very tricky price action in Bank Nifty, but weekly chart is saying after a very long time, it is bending. Daily chart is saying it has taken a support. 15-minute chart is saying be ready for all three sides of as in stagnant market. Bullish if it consolidates and breaks out above the level of 45,520. And bearish if it opens flat, consolidates, breaks 45,290, then you can see 160, 180 point correction, right? Daily closing near 45,080 opens it up for 44,600, 44,200, right? But we'll have to observe that on the daily chart. Now, spot is clearly telling a story. Now, let's look at the component chart, right? HDFC is trading near the support. Observe this. See, this there is a thick consolidation here, right? So first time it has taken a support, but if now it breaks 1640, it can retest 1633. Guys, HDFC chart is not. I'm neutral to bearish in this. It is not giving any confidence to go long. I will only go long if it starts closing in 15 minutes above 1650, but it is neutral to bearish. Now looking at Kotak chart, right? Kotak is exactly stuck in between. This chart is very similar to Bank Nifty. So above 1878, I will go long for the targets of 1884. Below 1870, I will short it for the targets of 1863. This chart is neutral. I don't expect much movement coming here. Let's look at ICICI. Better chart structure wise as compared to HDFC. If you see, right, this is a good. Okay, so here, right, if you see, if it opens flat or if it opens in the range of 987, it can go all the way up to 1002. Personally, I am seeing ICICI to be bullish. If it opens gap down also, this can take the market up. Gap up will cause trouble here, but otherwise this chart is a good chart. ICICI is bullish for me, which also says that let's watch Axis Bank chart to make our determination. Axis Bank is in a range actually. Axis Bank is looking neutral to bearish. Personally, I'm seeing Axis Bank falling from here. Guys, Axis Bank is neutral to bearish. HDFC neutral to bearish. Kotak neutral, very limited movement. ICICI is interestingly bullish. Probably they may like to play in a narrow range, right? You also have SBI results which are to be out. See, SBI is bullish. SBI, for people who follow the concepts on volatility contraction, if you see, right, this is contracting nicely, actually above 6. I don't feel SBI will give any movement. Let it consolidate here. For me, it is completely sideways. I am expecting next 1 to 2 days to consolidate in this narrow range and then probably hit upside, downside, and then during result can go up. This is looking like a bullish chart price action. This is what I am seeing here. SBI sideways tomorrow and day after tomorrow, probably sometime Wednesday, Thursday can hit good numbers. IndusInd, gradually it is starting to bend. If you see here, right, this chart is very similar to HDFC. Till it takes out 1412, I will not go long. Below this day low, it has a support at 1387, but neutral to bearish in IndusInd also. So component chart is actually confusing a lot. Component chart is confusing us a lot. Let's see the option chart. So option chart clearly telling me, okay, this is actually giving a good story here. So you see a trend line broken out here. This has given the effect. Now, okay. Between 283 and 330, anywhere it opens, consolidates 5 to 7 minutes, let it take out 366 and 413 target. Target upsides are getting capped here. Target downside, again, if you see, what I am not liking here is, if you see, right, this is where the consolidation had happened. Now, this area was taken out. Tomorrow, right, 5 to 10 minutes, it has to consolidate between 320 to 280 and then take out. You'll see levels of 366 and 366 and 428. Again, looks like a range bound market looking at the option chart, right? We analyzed 45,500 P and 45,500 C. Many people like to trade Finnifty on Monday. They have been requesting Finnifty charts. So let me quickly go to Nifty Financial Service. Wait. Okay, Finnifty chart is similar to BankNifty, but it has taken out this level. Finnifty clearly, right, about 2319, we can take a trade for 2386. Shorting, I will only think of it below 2237. If it opens gap down, solid body closing, retest of 2235, then I'll short for 2196. Finnifty chart is not very clear if I look at it, right? Quickly, let's take a look at. So again, I would say Finnifty, be cautious. Components we have looked. Go long about 2337, go short below 2232.40, right? In between, it's a no trade zone for me. Nifty 50 quickly. See, better chart than Bank Nifty if you want to go long. I will tell you why. A steep fall. It's a steep fall, right? And then consolidation going up. Now, if it consolidates between 19,600 and 19,650, you would see 708, 754, and 813. Shorting thoughts only to be entertained below 19,560. Solid body closing for 19,446, right? But Nifty is looking bullish. Let's look at components of Nifty. Nifty, FMCG, pharma, healthcare, right, are all bullish. IT witness profit booking surprise. I'm not surprised. Nasdaq is also under some pressure. Bank Nifty observed some profit booking. But if you see Nifty IT chart, right, after this rally, Nifty IT is actually trying to take a support here, right? Now, for me, the Nifty IT actually can go long about 29,648 for the targets of 29,870. Nifty looks better from a long perspective. Let's look at the other key components, Reliance and Infi to see. HDFC Bank we have already looked at. Reliance, right, is at an interesting stage. I am seeing, so okay, if Reliance, right, here can consolidate, but about 2535, we are good for 2555 and 2578. Reliance is looking good, guys. Reliance is looking good from a buy standpoint intraday. Same is the case. Infosys, right, looks tricky. Gave an impulse move down. Now, actually, till Infosys is not able to break this resistance, right, 1350, or this support of 1334, it will continue to give nightmare. So the problem is this price action which has happened outside the volatility contraction, right? See, tomorrow wait. If you get a closing about 1350, wait tomorrow and see. We may probably see some consolidation around 1351 and 1348. Then it may break out to give you targets of 1368 and 1380. So guys, this chart is also looking somewhat positive. We'll have to wait, but Nifty IT probably can give support to Nifty. Nifty chart is looking better than Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty if I were to analyze it, right? So friends, that's it from us. No other major updates. Reliance is a stock that I would pick for going long, right? I would like to go with Reliance. The other chart. So again, from stock standpoint, right, I like Reliance, and probably if I get around between 2596 and 2572, if I get Indigo, I am also liking Indigo for the targets of 2675, right? It's a 70 to 80 point move which is pending in Indigo. Your stop loss should be 25 points. It's 1:3 risk reward. Again, I expect one round of buying to take Indigo towards 2670 and 2725. So the stocks for tomorrow to watch out for will be Reliance and Indigo. These would be our stock picks. So friends, that's it. I hope you have been able to watch it completely and understand how we are planning the trade. If you like the quality of our analysis, please share it with your friends and family members, so that they can also benefit from our analysis videos. In case you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe both our YouTube and Telegram channel. We post a lot of content there. And again, share it with your family and friends. Do not skip the video. There are a lot of learning content that I share here. Thank you, friends. I hope everyone we had a great last week. I hope everyone starts positively tomorrow. Looks like a tricky day in Bank Nifty, but Nifty looks more clean in terms of going long. Thank you, friends. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Preferably, if there are any good calls, I will post it in the live market. Else we'll see what to do with the gold charts. Thank you, guys.